Hey everybody. So recently I was asked, how do you make a capsule with essential oils? And I was like, it's really pretty easy, but if you've never done one, we got to figure it out. So I'm going to show you real quick how to make a capsule with essential oils. Okay. So I order my vegetable capsules from Young Living. They're empty. They're size 00 capsules. I order them from Young Living because I have found they tend to be the best quality ones. Some of the other ones kind of disappear or dissolve really quickly. So these are the capsules that I purchase. They're fairly inexpensive. Then my carrier oil that I use is avocado oil. You could use coconut oil, you could use olive oil, whatever particular one you like. This is the one that I had. And I'm gonna make a capsule with some dietary digestive oils that help me. So I've got ginger here, I've got citrus fresh, I've got cinnamon bark, and I've got thieves. And I'm just gonna mix them up in my capsule and then add some carrier oil. So here's my empty capsule. Let me get in close. There you go. And I'm gonna take it apart. Oop, had an extra bottom on it. I'm gonna take it apart and there you go, there you see. So then I'll hold I have pretty steady hands. So I've got my thieves here. I'm gonna hold it and put 2 drops into my capsule, just like so. And then I think, I need a little more digestive support. I'm gonna add some ginger as well because ginger is incredible for your digestion. So I'm gonna add 2 drops of ginger, just like that. And then, well, because I love citrus fresh and it's got so many immune boosting oils in it, and it's great for my metabolism, I'm gonna drop a couple of drops of citrus fresh in there as well. Awesome. And then the last one I'm gonna do is some cinnamon bark. And cinnamon bark is awesome for blood sugar levels, as well as just overall immune. So let's do 1, 2 of cinnamon. And there you go. So you see that, hang on, let me just get the top on that my capsule is about half full. Well, now I'm gonna take my handy dandy drawer. I don't know what this is officially called, but it sucks up oil. And I'm gonna stick it into my avocado oil and draw just a little bit out in order to fill up my capsule. Now you don't have to add carrier oil, but most people do. It helps with just making it easier on your belly. And that's it. I put my 2 parts together. I now have a capsule. So these capsules, if you're taking them for a specific reason, can probably maintain about an hour or 2 before they start to get kind of squishy. Or you can put them in the freezer and they'll hold for longer. I can make a week in advance and put them on a plate or put them, this is gonna sound really crazy, in an upside down Lego or a pill carrier or a capsule carrier, and I can leave them in the freezer and they will remain up to a week. So, and even longer than that. So I go ahead and make my capsules for the week if I know I'm gonna make some capsules, which I know I'm gonna do for longevity because I'm gonna do the longevity challenge soon. So that's all it is, making a capsule. Pretty easy to do. Y'all have a great day.